Here's how to buy shares of Humana AB, a health and social care services company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker HUM.ST. This video is educational only and not financial advice, so verify details and consider your own research. To trade, you will need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and then add funds to your account to be able to buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HUM.ST to locate the listing. Make sure to select the result that matches Humana AB on CBOE EU to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart on the platform. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to be certain this is the Humana AB share you intend to buy. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review order details such as market or limit type before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the order is executed, your Humana AB position will appear in your portfolio view. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same process.